Yo, what's up? Mulibwanje Banzanga, Mulibwanje pa Malawi, Mulibwanje pa Zambia. How are you guys all over the world? My name is TT. I am from Botswana, but I currently live here in the US of A. Okay, I do have the sound effect. Hey! How are you guys doing? So somebody suggested that I react to this song right here. It's Sonyezo, Kim of Diamonds, Suffix. Who else is in this? Sonyezo. Okay, Sonyezo, Kim of Diamonds, Suffix, and the name of the song is Future. Let's go. Oh, by the way, if you're here for the first time, hit that subscribe button, hit the notification bell so you don't miss any of the uploads of the channel, then hit that like button. It is for the algorithm. And guys, a lot of you have been watching these videos and you have not subscribed. Why? Bukwa? How do I say why in Chichewa? But yeah, you know yourself. You're watching this and you have not subscribed. Subscribe right now, guys. Come on. Okay, let's get to the song. Let me see. Let me read this. This is actually important. Children and youth in Malawi are 9 million plus. Wait, this was like 5 years ago or something like that. In 2014, our leaders committed to address challenges that children and youth face in Malawi. Okay. Have they done it? Feel like politicians like to promise stuff. 9 million children in Malawi. Oh my goodness. It just clicked in my head that there are only 2.5 million Botswana, the entire country. I mean, obviously there are other foreigners and stuff. Maybe there are 6 million people live in Botswana. And in Malawi, they have 9 million just children. And that was then. Who knows now? Wow. That's a lot of people. And that's a lot of people that could develop the country in the future. That's a lot of future promise right there. So you gotta shape that so that Malawi has a brighter tomorrow. Oh, hence this song is called Future. Okay, I get it. Future, do it for our future. One, let's put a full stop to our children getting married off young too. Okay. Please. Let's not do that. Okay?
We must do everything that we can so our young girls can go to school. 3, they ain't gotta die so soon. Our babies gotta grow up too. 4, ain't nobody lay their hands on you. It will never be okay. So go to Lawo, the Kala Labino. 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 Do it for our future. Do it for our future. Do it for our future.
It's a beautiful song, man. Oh, yes. Kind of emotional.
Do it for our future. So go to Latu, the Kala Labino. So go to Latu, the Kala Labino. When I grow up, I wanna be a lawyer.
Wandigumbusa KBG, masoni Mr. Grey. Hakugamba zakufunika kopunzira gay. Bring it back.
When I finish my degree, I wanna be a doctor.
Hey, kumama baby ya miri, sama maliza gay. Ena sikufuna goma so wabinga zilimbwe. Shit up class girl, your vibes gotta climb. Shit wish girl, mtima in reality ni mpamba. Hai ukubela fuga jongo bondelezerwa. Hadi ninkazi nechito yake ndiongo bereka. Highway.
I feel like Chichewa is the easiest language to rap in, man. Like, it just seems like this guy is flowy. I don't even know what he is saying, but it's really good.
ulindo undi waine sister wane yamanyire yazakale pirate ire asigana sakala maye tawisana kwane DJ bese umpawe
Sokololawo, likale labino. Sokololawo, likale labino. Sokololatu, likale labino. Sokololatu, likale labino.
Hold on. I can read. They have messages on there. Ndikufuna Tswana mpunzitse. What does that mean? I just read.
Sokololatu, likale labino. Do it for our future. 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 Sokololatu, likale labino. Sokololatu, likale labino. When I grow up, I wanna be a journalist. When I grow up, I wanna be a doctor. When I grow up, I wanna be a bank manager. When I grow up, I wanna be a nurse.
Yo, that's a beautiful, beautiful song, man. Thank you so much for that recommendation. Zikomo Kwambiri, man. That was a good one. Kim of Diamonds is like the best vocalist. One of the best. Like, how come I have not seen her music anytime like sooner, guys? Come on, what's going on? That was a beautiful song, a beautiful message as well. Needed. I like it when artists do this, you know, like they put their voice to work for real, because that's basically what African artists have been doing for centuries, you know. Like, music wasn't just for entertainment, it was for sending messages and for pretty much for storing messages, because songs are not easily forgotten. Like, if it's in a language, like, you could be 80 years and you still remember the lyrics of the music, you know what I mean? So beautiful one, beautiful one. That was a good one. And because I'm a parent as well, I cannot like imagine just like disrupting my kids growth, you know, like, or anybody for that matter, to disrupting their growth. I want them to grow to be human beings and to make their own decisions one day. And obviously, I'm going to be there to guide them every step of the way, and not just to like interrupt or disrupt their growth, just like nurture their growth and make sure that they become responsible adults one day that are going to do the same thing for the next generation. So, that's a loaded message. Like, I just said that right now and I realized that song triggered all that to me, and I hope that it does that to you too. So thank you so much for watching this, man. I'll see you guys on the other side. Like I said earlier, if you're here for the first time and you have not subscribed, smash that subscribe button, hit that notification bell too, so you don't miss any of the uploads on this channel. See you guys on the other side.